Hey, hi everyone. In this particular lecture, we are going to learn about that how to rename a file in Node.js. Well, it is very easy and simple to implement. Let's understand. Right. So I want to change the name of this file, that is second.txt. I want to change it to the third.txt. Right. This is what I want. So let's see that what's the content here. That is subscribe the channel and hit the like button. That's the content which you should also. Right. So let's start. But before that, make sure that you have this package.json file. If you don't have this file, then you simply need to go to the terminal and write npm in it here and then press enter. You will get this file. After that, we can work with a node, right? Yeah. So for doing this, we need the package of file system module, right? So for that, we use const fs equals to, we use the require method, require, then put a bracket here, and inside of this write fs. What is this fs? Fs is the file system. We are taking this module with the help of this require method and storing it inside this fs variable. Right now, for renaming a file, there's a very simple method which is available in the file system, that is fs.rename. Right, you just need to write fs.rename, then put a bracket here, and in the starting, means in the first line, we write the old file name. That is, I want to change this second.txt file, right? So I will write this second.txt, the name of the file which I want to change, right? But make sure that if this file is present inside of some folder or any other place, right, so you need to give a proper address here, not just direct a name, because since this script.js file is present and second.txt both are present in the same folder, right? That's why I have written it like this. But if it is present in some other place, you need to give it a proper path. Right now, after that, put a comma here, and then we will write the new name of the file. Let's say this is as third.txt. I want to change the second.txt into third.txt, right? And then by doing this, finally we have initialized that what changes we want. But in the end, we need to give a callback function. What is this callback function? Simply just a function, which is having a parameter of error. Right now, here we have to write a small logic, that is, if there is some error, in that particular case, you do what? You just do console.error. Inside of this, we will print this particular err, that is capturing the error, right? Yeah. Now after that, else, we write else, and inside the else, if the renaming process gets successful, in that particular case, you do what? Console.log bracket. Inside of this, what we will do, let's write something that renamed, right? If the process gets successful, you just print renamed in the terminal like this, right? So this is the whole way that how we rename the file. Let's see that how it is working. So okay, let's go to the terminal, and here we'll write node. Since it is a node project, so we'll write node, and then we will write the name of the main file, which is script.js here, right? So script.js, and then press the enter. Okay, you can see it is writing something else just because I have not saved it. So it is just doing the previous task, which actually I removed. Okay, let me write it again. Node script.js. So you also make sure that you save the file before going to the terminal, right? And now if I press it, you can see I'm getting renamed now, right? And you can see this second.txt file get converted into third.txt, and the content is same, right? So you can see it, the cross on the second.txt name, because it is not get changed, right? So yeah, so this is how we actually rename the file in Node.js. I hope you understood the concept very clearly. It is very simple and easy to implement. Try it at your own, and thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.